Hello everyone, I am Marlu and today is kind of a special video because I'm going to say goodbye to my room in this video. I am not moving right this minute, but it's probably not going to be any less messier than it's right now, so I just wanted to film it right now. And yeah, it's kind of a nostalgic video. I can look back on this video and see how my childhood bedroom looked like. I have slept in this room since I was 5 and I'm now 21, so it's pretty long time. And yeah, this is my updated room tour. I hope you guys like it, and if you have any questions, please let me know. When we get in, we first have my desk with my journals and my craft supplies, and then we have my mirror with my monstera plants and my record player. My record player doesn't really have a good spot, so it's on the ground when I play it, and when I don't play it, it's somewhere else. And this is my wall, which I love. I got that signed laundry card for my birthday, and then some dried baby's breath and some of my favorite TV shows, people in my life, and of course Lana Del Rey. There were some other artists as well. And this is my windowsill with all my plants, my bed of course, and my nightstand. And next to my nightstand I have my final collection. Please let me know if you want to see my final collection. And under my nightstand I also store some other journals. And then we got my dresser, which is my favorite part of my room. It stores all my, I want to say jewelry. I mean, it does also store that. Perfume. Thanks. And my plants that are still in water. The book I'm currently reading, and some pretty books and poetry books. I got my typewriter, my crystals, and my dried flowers, and my favorite plant, which is so cool. Then on the wall I have my embroidered Lana as Juliet and some thrifted frame. And yeah, I'm really happy with the way my room looks. I'm really ready to leave, but I'm very happy to have this video. And yeah, thank you room for serving me all these years, and I hope you guys like this video. If you did, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to see more of me, you can follow me on Instagram as Mae Journals, and I'd love to see you next time. Bye!